Hi guys, today we are unboxing Mighty Beanz. As you'll see, we have a track and we will be racing them. We have minis just for us to do extra Mighty Beanz.
This will be our team, and then there's going to be 2 in here.
Yeah, and we'll do rock, paper, scissors, who gets to choose. And these each have 8 in them. And so we should each have 9, and let's get started.
My goal is to have team animal. I already have 1 animal right there.
Which is a shark. I have a ninja.
So mine's team shark, his is team ninja.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started.
Ready? Just 1 second. Just looking for the tape, guys. Sorry. Where's the tapey tape? Oh, here it is. Here you go. This should be a kid's set, so it should be easy to unbox. Like it is.
Okay, that's it. Lift up the flap now. Yeah.
And rip it.
No, don't rip it.
Yes, thank you, Mama.
Okay.
Where does this thing come?
Slide it out.
Instructions.
Instructions on
1, 5. It goes 1, 5, 9, 10, 13, 2.
Here's the stuff. Here's the remote thing.
I have no idea how to build it.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, I am scared now. Is that elevator?
Sorry, what was that?
This is the elevator.
Okay.
You can see on the box it shows that you push these up and then they go zooming to like that. So the elevator is number 1. Get out number 2, get out number 2. Oh, you've
Careful with the scissors, please. Need some help?
Yes, please. Oh, that's really cool.
Okay, okay. What else is in there?
There is these. Look, as you see, there is like pushy things which you push on to slam, which launches your Mighty Bean up.
I've already cut it for you, Jules.
Like this.
Yeah. Okay, the 2 fingers.
Oh yes, the 2 fingers. Figgies. Oh, and there's the leopard. We're going to do rock, paper, scissors, and I'm going to totally beat you. We are going to do rock, paper, scissors, and
Can I
I'm
help you?
totally
Got it.
going to beat your butt. I'm going to beat your butt for you. So let's do it.
I don't know what I need to.
We'll see. This time
That
it's
is
my
a
revenge.
leopard.
Over there. Over here.
This
That
time
is
I'm
a
gonna. I'm gonna beat you. Rock, paper,
Open it,
scissors,
please.
and the whole match. Oh. Yep.
No, I got it.
Sure. Let me just snip quickly. Yeah, here.
Quickly snip. Quickly snip. Eesh.
Good get.
Oh, wait, that is the leopard?
Hold them up so we can see them.
Ah, yeah.
Can I see them?
Keep them still so we can see them.
Can I see it? I want to see one.
Woo! Don't be naughty.
Leopard and?
I have no idea who that
Oh,
guy is.
I wanna see
Look, Jaden, see one?
The guy who has chubby cheeks.
Can I hold the leopard?
No, I just want to show you. I just want to do something.
Oh. How does that work? Yes, we unboxed it. That was so hard, but luckily our mom figured it out. She's a genius.
And we're gonna unlock. Now we're gonna unbox these. Been waiting for this all day.
Yeah,
I've been waiting since lunch. This better be worth it now.
How did you do that?
From the bottom. Jordan, show Jaden how to do it. Okay, it says there. It says, what does that say, Jordan? What does that say?
Read before opening. Yeah, whatever. Now you know why not to do that. What is this thing? Slime. Slime! Never does have time. Smells. Wait, it's air for this. It's air. And now I know why to read. Where's the card? Ooh. Ooh.
Do you need help, Jaden?
Yes, please. Who's that? That's all good. Oh, no.
You got a mustache, man.
Let's see who you got, George.
Here's the list. Here's the list.
It's huge like gas.
There's a huge list. Look, guys, this is how many you can get.
And who? Let's see who I got.
So, George, I think you are, there's a second way of playing with it, which I think you are. It looks like a target, can you see?
Yeah, it is.
Here's all the rares, the ultra rares.
Let's see who I got.
Okay, Mom, can you help me? Where is this guy?
Okay. This is Smiling Shark Bean. Hopefully it'll
Okay,
be
let's see
good
that
for
thing
my
that says
team.
read before opening. What does it say?
It says remove all packagings.
That's the target. Let's see what that says.
That bean pod as force.
As forcefully.
Use force.
Use force. Okay.
See it grow. First, keep face away. Oh, I did not. One hit me in the face.
Hit more, hit more, hit more. It's coming. Okay.
See, this is air. This is air for this.
No, it's just for this pot. It's just for the bean pod.
This is Mosquito Mighty Bean.
This is Caterpillar Bean.
This is Smiling Shark Bean.
This is Ninja Bean. Once I have done a drawing of Mr. Bean, he's in a cartoon channel, and I made him into a ninja, and this guy is a Mighty Bean, and he's Ninja Bean. They're brothers. Get it? Get it?
Got
This
it.
is,
Got
this is Dirty Miner Bean.
This is Rocking Croc Bean. This is Goalkeeper Guy Bean. Let me just see this guy's name.
Okay, I'll do another one then.
This is Basketball Bean.
This is Squire Bean. I have no idea what that means.
Squire is a knight's assistant.
Pharaoh.
Pharaoh.
Pharaoh Bean. This is Pharaoh Bean. He's drooling. Check him. It's gross. He's gross. He is
This
my
is
arch nemesis.
This is Eskimo Bean.
Eskimo.
Yeah. No wait. Yeah. Eskimo bean. I have no idea what that means either.
And Eskimo is people that live.
This is
In the
scared ghost bean. As you'll see, he's a party pooper. Because he scares people.
Okay.
Ringmaster bean.
Yeah.
This is Eagle Bean. He's one of my favorites. Other than Ninja Bean and Rocking Croc Bean.
This is the funniest of all. Bryce's face bean.
Let me see Bryce's face bean. What the? Masked Warrior Bean. He's the craziest. Masked Warrior Bean.
Okay. I'm gonna pop mine.
And what about this bean lying here on the table?
He is. This is Speedy Cheetah Bean.
Okay.
This is Fearless Stuntman. Stuntman bean.
And we're gonna
Okay.
pop these. Oh, that was hard. I popped it.
Okay, let me pop
Dun,
mine.
dun. What was that? What was that?
I don't know. Maybe you shouldn't cut yours, Jordan.
No, I'm just gonna do it into mine bowl.
Can I see how it tastes?
No. You don't know what it is.
Busy.
It might just be soda water.
Guys, look at
It's
that.
when you shake it up or when you punch it, then the bubbles, that's what makes it.
Guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. It's like all soda water. I need to go and wash my hands. What's the next?
Mine had barely any in. Just soda water.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.
Also, look out for the next video when our Mighty Beans race on our track. Bye. See you soon.